Hello and welcome to P-Tech, and look what's here. The iPhone 11s are here. Hello and welcome to P-Tech, and I have got two of the brand new phones here. So first of all, the iPhone 11. Thank you very much. And then in the other one, I've got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Ah, it's so exciting. But first of all, let's have a look at the iPhone 11. Here we go. This is actually so exciting. Look at that, it's here. Let's open it up, let's see what you get in the box. I'm so excited. Look at that, it looks so good. You know what? It feels dead nice. It feels really nice. Have a listen to this. There it is. Green. It's not as green as I thought it'd be. It's not that green, is it? Let's have a look what's inside the box. So you've got all of your stickers and stuff, but no one cares about that. And then you've got, annoyingly, your 5-watt charger. So even though this phone can do fast charging, it can't do it out of the box, which is a little bit annoying, but I suppose that's why that's the Pro and that isn't. In here also you've got your lightning headphones, which is quite nice, and then you've got the USB to lightning charging cable, and they've just stayed with the standard USB for the iPhone 11. The other difference on the iPhone 11 is that on this one you only have an LCD screen, so you don't have that OLED that comes with the 11 Pro Max, but most people won't realise, and I think this will probably be the most popular iPhone that Apple have ever made. Obviously, one of the new things on the phone, everyone's spoken about it, is you've got the dual cameras which are on there. So you've got the ultra wide and you've got the normal one, and the only difference between these two phones in terms of the camera is that doesn't come with the telephoto lens, the iPhone 11, but that's the iPhone 11 sorted in there. Now let's take a look at the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm so excited for this phone. I don't know why this year I've been more excited for this phone than any other phone that's been released. So here it is, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I've got it in gold. I've not had a look at these phones at all in real life yet, so this is the first time because I didn't want to spoil it. I didn't want to go to the Apple store and play around with it. So this is what it is, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. There it is. It's nice, it's really nice. Look at this, look at that. The iPhone 11 Pro Max. I like the matte back. The matte back is really nice. And actually, I really like the Apple logo in the middle as well. The annoying thing about living in the UK is that you're still gonna have some text on the bottom of the phone there, where is every other country doesn't have it. We need to be told that we can't throw it in the bin. So it kind of ruins the aesthetic a little bit. Let's have a look what you get inside the box though. So let's get rid of the phone there. Put that to one side. You then get all of the same stuff as you did with the iPhone 11, all your stickers, but no one's interested in stickers. Then you get your lightning cable headphones as well, which is a bit of a staple now. We always get them in the boxes. Underneath the headphones, it kind of reveals the one new thing you get in the box with the iPhone 11 Pros. You get the fast charging power brick out of the box, which about time, isn't it, Apple? The only downside to having this, if you can call it a downside, is that all your other plugs now don't work. So this is a USB-C to lightning USB. So it's quite annoying that all the other power bricks you have don't work anymore. But I don't know why Apple haven't gone full USB-C. Maybe we'll see that on the iPhone 12 Pro Plus models or whatever next year, but that's what we've got at the moment. On the iPhone 11 you also get the better screen, so you get the Super Retina XDR display is what Apple are calling it. I think the only time you'll notice the display on the phone is when you put the phones side by side, but not that many people are going to be able to do that. You also have the 3 cameras which are on here as well, so you've got the normal lens, you've got the telephoto lens, and then you've also got that ultra wide lens. There we go, that's the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max, all done and dusted on my first ever unboxing, which was quite exciting. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be getting one of these phones and which one and why. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel because I'll do some camera comparisons and a lot more reviews with these two phones over the next couple of days as well. And if you like the video, hit the like button, and until next time, see you later.